R-Type Final 2 on my Switch, and Ghost and Ghouls also, the remake or whatever. Like I said, guys, I'm getting up there. You know, I probably forgot more things than I can remember. You know.
Now entering New District. Exit to
There
my
we go.
left.
We're gonna come to the next station. There, guys, let me know. I think this is the former terminal. I think this is it. Let me see. The U District, if I'm not mistaken. This is the former ending of this train. So I don't know how beneficial it was for them to extend these three stations, you know. Because for what I've noticed, it's a good crowd still on this train to go only 3 more stops, you know. Unlike, say, like you get to the end of the line and say a lot of the trains, most of the trains in New York, it's barely anybody on it. Unless you go into like maybe like Flushing, you know, Flushing still has like a good crowd already out there, you know.